Since everyone is talking about how to get hired, I decided to talk about how to get fired. When starting out in a new job, first things first, flush the whole Git history with a Git force push just to set the tone. When your team lead asks what's on your mind, just tell him the truth. If you get an email that you won a new iPhone, claim it. Giving away your password for a new phone is a steal. I mean, passwords are just some random letters and your IT admin can generate a new one anytime. Say in the team meeting that you're wondering how this whole company is still in business and that you're wondering who's gonna end up in jail first. Tell your boss to say hi to his wife. First thing in the morning, shit on your boss's desk. If someone points out that you've missed a deadline, tell them to do something about it. When someone comes with facts, just say you don't argue with incompetent people. Pay your vacation with the company credit card. Say in front of everyone that this is the biggest shithole you ever worked at. Don't show up randomly once a week and then gaslight people that you've been there. Throw your PC out of the window. Tell the management exactly what you're doing wrong. Clog the toilet. Tell your boss you can't wait for AI to get rid of the management. Reply to all emails with, "This could have been a Slack message." At the next all hands meeting, ask if it's really necessary for all hands to be present. When asked for your opinion on a new feature, say, "I'll care when my salary reflects it." Schedule a mandatory meeting at 4 a.m. Bring your pet snake to work and let it roam freely around the office. Tell your boss you need a day off to recover from being overqualified for your job. Send a company-wide email about how you're planning a coup in the office. Constantly remind everyone that the customer doesn't know shit. Bring in donuts for the team, then eat them all before anyone else arrives. Set your out-of-office email reply to "I'll get back to you when I feel like it." Show up to meetings with a PowerPoint titled "Why I Should Be the CEO." Start every day by loudly announcing "I'm just here to collect a paycheck." Sign off every email with "Best wishes on your future endeavors." Ask HR how useless they feel today. Redirect all support tickets directly to your boss's email. Suggest that the company saves money by downsizing the management team. Demand a bonus payment every time you fix a bug. Change your job title on LinkedIn to "Overworked and Underappreciated Code Monkey." Respond to every feature request with "That's impossible," and then walk away. Ask the CFO if the company can cover your tab in a bar as networking expenses. Forward all your tasks to a random coworker with the note "You'll thank me later." Constantly brag about how you do your best work in the restroom. Openly bet on which project will fail first. Offer to automate someone's job and then delete their entire workflow. Start every sprint planning by asking, "So, what's the laziest way to do this?" Bring your gaming console to work and play Cyberpunk. Suggest that meetings should be replaced with vibe checks. Change your email signature to "Sent from a yacht." Publicly challenge your boss to a code off. Tell your boss you're considering a career break every time they ask you to do something. Demand to be paid in shitcoins. Offer unsolicited advice to your coworkers, like quitting is always an option. Ask your boss to write a recommendation letter for you while you're still employed. Set up an automated out-of-the-office reply that says, "I'm currently on an existential journey. I'll reply when I find myself." Tell your boss that your creative process involves taking the rest of the day off. So, let me know in the comment section your advice on how to get fired. That's it for today and see you in the next one. Tariq 10x.